Sell fast, stress-free. Are you a California homeowner looking to sell your property quickly and efficiently? Nanda Realty offers a streamlined home buying process that allows you to close the deal in just 10 days. With our all-cash buying service, you can avoid the lengthy and often stressful traditional home selling process. Our expert team is dedicated to making your experience as smooth and hassle-free as possible. One of the standout features of Nanda Realty's service is that we purchase homes in as-is condition. This means you don't have to worry about making any repairs or renovations before selling. Whether your property needs minor touch-ups or major renovations, we take care of it all, saving you time, money, and effort. Our goal is to provide a seamless transaction that benefits both parties. Additionally, by choosing Nanda Realty, you won't have to pay any agent fees. We believe in providing our clients with the most efficient and cost-effective solution for selling their homes. Our process eliminates the need for middlemen, allowing you to keep more of your hard-earned money. Our team is committed to transparency and integrity, ensuring a fair offer and quick closure. If you're ready to sell your California home without the usual hassle, contact Nanda Realty today. Call us at 61989 or visit nandarealty.com to learn more about our efficient home buying process. Let us help you close the deal in 10 days, freeing you to move forward with your next chapter. Trust Nanda Realty for a seamless, stress-free home selling experience.